Today on Roblox, we're going to see if people know what a loop is, and we're going to ask them some questions about it. Let's get going. So I have my first contestant or person here, and we're going to see if she knows what a loop is. Do you know what a loop is? Let's see. It's probably reading and stuff. Oh, here. I got her. I got this copy and pasted. A while loop is used to repeat a block of statements for a given number of times until given a condition is false. Bet she had no idea. Dang, I told you I read minds here. Alright, we'll move on to the second contestant. Alright, now for our second person, and now we're going to see if they know what a dual while loop is. Let's get going. So let's ask her. Do you know what a dual while loop is? See what she has to respond with. Ooh, what is that? Well, that's a good question, so I have the perfect answer for you. A do while loop means to do something true, something the condition is true. It is like a logical function which works based on true or false statements. Let's see how she reacts to that, but she thinks that's amazing. Exactly. She thought it was cool because loops are the best. All right, that's going to be today's end session of asking people on Roblox what Java questions, and we did loops today. I think we learned some interesting things, and we helped some people out learn what loops are. You'll see me next time. Alex is out.